In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to opt out of training in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the privacy control that stops your content from being used to help improve Claude, and how to make sure the setting stays the way you want it. Start by opening your Claude account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your main chat or dashboard view. The control we need lives in your account settings, so look toward the top corner of the screen for your profile. It may appear as your avatar or an initial. Click your profile to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to a page where all your account preferences are organized. You'll see several sections here, and the one we want is focused on how your data is handled. Click Privacy to open the privacy options. Inside the privacy section, look for a switch labeled Help Improve Claude. This toggle controls whether your prompts and usage can be used to help make the system better. To opt out of training, simply toggle off. Help improve Claude. When the switch is off, your content is no longer shared for training purposes through this setting. Take a moment to confirm the toggle visually shows it's off before you move on. That's the entire change you need to make to opt out of training in Claude AI. From here on, your account's privacy preference reflects that choice. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same privacy page and toggle it back on just as easily. A few quick tips to keep you confident about the setting. First, if you don't immediately see the privacy section, make sure you're in the main settings area and not a chat-specific screen. Second, occasionally interfaces get minor updates. If the wording looks slightly different, but you see a clearly labeled option about helping improve Claude or data for training, that's the one you want. Third, after toggling off, it's a good habit to refresh the page briefly and verify the settings stayed off, especially if you switch devices or browsers. Remember, opting out here is about controlling whether your content is used to help improve Claude. It doesn't affect your ability to use the product, your access to features, or your account status. It's simply a privacy preference, and it's designed to be easy to find and easy to change. That's it. Open your Claude account, click your profile, go into Settings, select Privacy, and toggle off Help Improve Claude. You're now opted out of training in Claude AI.